Okay, so I have the original keyboard mounted on, and it starts, and the original keyboard is working too, so I kind of bought it for nothing. Yeah. Now I think here it doesn't really appreciate on the camera, but let's see if I can put some light from behind. No. So what's really okay, so what's really broken on this TV, it's the backlight that it's on the way. So I bought this for nothing. I just rushed to buy it. I'm gonna see if I can take that back, but for now I'm happy that I know what the problem is. It's something that I wanted to do at the first time when I shouldn't have to do. The first time when okay. I obviously touched something that I shouldn't. Okay, so that's the conclusion. The conclusion is that I didn't need to wait for the LED backlight to come. So those guys that they tell me I need to change the keyboard, well, they weren't right.